Welcome to Agile Data Engine, the DataOps management platform. Would you be thrilled if you had a product that not only helps you to build data models and data loads, and automates the deployments to the data warehouse, but also orchestrates the data loads and monitors the entire solution, all in one product and as a service? That's what Agile Data Engine is, and yes, we are thrilled. Agile Data Engine is a service where data professionals work continuously on designing the model and transformations for a data warehouse, deploying changes into target database environments, and operating and monitoring the data warehouse for the duration of its whole life cycle. The service is accessed through a web-based graphical user interface. All of your development teams use the same user interface, which is always up to date, and your developers can track what others are doing in real time. Let's check how Agile Data Engine works. We will do that by creating a dimension and data load, deploying the implementation to development, loading data into the dimension and then testing the solution. If everything works, we will take the implementation to production. All of this in 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now we have created, deployed, and populated the D-Vessel type table, but there's even more. Agile Data Engine allows you to bring DataOps practices into the everyday life of your organization. It means easier communication, better visibility, monitoring, and automation over the entire data solution. The solutions are grouped into manageable units and you can view them at different levels. You're able to see not only your own solutions, but the solutions of everyone else as well. One example of monitoring are smoke tests that are used to test data quality. Now we are in the D-Vessel type entity. I have added a smoke test that tests whether the entity contains duplicates. The test is run every time the data load is run. This way we are notified immediately if there are problems with the quality of the data. Let's assume Agile Data Engine has sent a smoke test alert notification of this particular smoke test. To verify the situation, let's go to the Development Environments dashboard. Here we have a dashboard for smoke test failures. From here we see that the smoke test has indeed failed. To find out the reason for the duplicates, we want to track down all the staging entities that are the sources of this dimension. Also, we need to know who has worked on them. We begin the journey from a data lineage view. Here we can see the lineage on a package level. The dimension is part of this package and the other packages are related to that package. Let's expand the lineage on an entity level. And then focus on only those entities that are related to the D-Vessel type. There is one staging entity as a source. By selecting the entity, we can already see who has worked on it most recently. But if we want to, we can open the entity and look at the changes made into it at an even more detailed level. This was a brief overview on Agile Data Engine features. Thank you for listening.